Remove the photosensor. There is a hook. Detach the connector. Remove this metal spring. Remove this metal part and the plastic lever. On the other side, remove the other spring. Remove the other lever and the metal part if it has not fallen off. The two metal parts are the same, the levers are different. Remove this gear. Remove the two screws. Remove the cover. Remove the cable from its hooks. Remove this part. Remove the other cable. Lift up the fuser sleeve assembly. Remove the lower fuser roller. Sometimes it's necessary to change or clean the bushings. This is a paper sensor. Check if it works correctly. Remove the fuser heating element. It's made of ceramic, be careful. Remove this part. Remove the fuser sleeve. Reinstall the lower fuser roller. Install the fuser sleeve assembly. Reinsert the cable in its hooks. Put back the other cables. Reinstall the blocks of the heater element. Insert the cover in its tabs. Reinstall the two screws. Install the gear. Put back the lever and the metal part. Reinsert the first spring. Reinstall the other lever and the metal part. Reinstall the second spring. Reinstall the photosensor. And the work is done.